Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless.
Ngayon gagawa po tayo ng apple shake. So all we need is apple, of course. Okay, I have 3 apples and then sweetened creamer, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and we need blender and also ice. Okay, first thing to do is to prepare the apples. And this is, guys, nakahiwa na. Okay, now let's mix the apple with the crushed ice. Ito, ihalo na po natin. Okay, and then lagyan po natin ng kunting condensed milk. Okay, and of course a little bit sugar. So start na po natin i-blend yung lahat ng mga ingredients. Let's start. Then lagyan po natin ng evaporada. Konting evaporada. And this is our final product, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.